What's up, YouTube? It is your boy D5 for another YouTube video, man. And today with this video, it will be dropping tomorrow. Scrapin does start tomorrow, but it's gonna be our pre-routine for scraping the coast. I know it's a little late, but me and my girlfriend will be heading out there. If you guys see me on the strip or see her on the strip, I will be rocking merch for my channel. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. If you guys see me out there recording, hop in the video, man. See what's up. Shout your guys' YouTube channel out. Promote your channel on mine. Let's make content. Let's get to it, bro.